In 22 countries affected by conflict, nearly 24 million children living in crisis zones are out of school. According to a report by the UN Children's Agency, UNICEF, nearly 1 in 4 children of primary and lower secondary school-going age living in conflict areas are missing out on their education. South Sudan is home to the highest proportion of out-of-school children, with 51% of primary and lower secondary school-going age children not accessing an education. Niger is a close second with 47% unable to attend school, followed by Sudan at 41% and Afghanistan at 40%. In countries affected by conflict, collecting data on children is extremely difficult. Therefore, these figures may themselves not adequately capture the breadth and depth of the challenge. UNICEF fears that unless the provision of education in emergencies is prioritized, a generation of children living in conflict will grow up without the skills they need to contribute to their countries and economies. This will undoubtedly exacerbate the already desperate situation for millions of children and their families. Education continues to be one of the least funded sectors in humanitarian appeals. In Uganda, where UNICEF is providing services to South Sudanese refugees, education faces an 89% funding gap. Despite these efforts, security restrictions and funding shortfalls are affecting education and the contribution of learning materials in conflict situations. Kofam Renje, CCTV.